हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल कॉमर्स विद निधि। तो आज हम ग्रेड 12 का एक बहुत ही इजी बट इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक डिस्कस करने वाले हैं फ्रॉम द थर्ड बुक विच इज ऑफ 20 मार्क्स। सो टूल्स फॉर फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट एनालिसिस। What are the tools to analyze the financial statements? Our first tool is comparative financial statement. As the name suggests, comparative means we compare the data of two consecutive years. हम लाइक लास्ट ईयर का एंड करंट ईयर का डेटा कंपेयर करते हैं टू नो द रिजल्ट ऑफ आर फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स। फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स मीन्स प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट एंड बैलेंस शीट। व्हाट इज द स्टेटस ऑफ आर प्रॉफिट? हमने प्रॉफिट लास्ट ईयर कंपेरेटिव इंक्रीज हुआ है और डिक्रीज हुआ है। और व्हाट इज द स्टेटस ऑफ आर एसेट्स? हमारे फिक्स्ड एसेट्स बढ़ी है कि नहीं बढ़ी, whether we have paid off the liabilities or not. So to know all the status, we prepare the comparative financial statements. Now, comparative financial statements is of two types: comparative profit and loss and comparative balance sheet. Okay, the format for both are same. It carries 6 columns: particulars, note number, previous year data, current year data, absolute change and percentage change. So to find out to do the comparison, हम absolute change and percentage change निकालते हैं. Now let us suppose we are preparing comparative profit and loss first. So what will be the first item? Revenue from operation. Revenue from operation. Note number, if we are doing any calculation, so we have to write that note number here. Previous year का हमारा कितना था, current year का हमारा sales कितना है. Absolute change means, suppose previous year we are taking the column as A, current year B, this is C and this is D. So absolute change is B minus A. इसको ध्यान में रखना, करंट ईयर माइनस प्रीवियस ईयर. स्टूडेंट समटाइम्स डू द मिस्टेक, प्रीवियस ईयर माइनस करंट ईयर कर देते हैं, बट दैट इज रॉन्ग. सो वी हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट करंट ईयर वैल्यूज फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस ईयर टू नो द एब्सोल्यूट चेंज एंड परसेंटेज चेंज. हाउ डू वी फाइंड आउट? एब्सोल्यूट चेंज मीन्स C अपॉन प्रीवियस ईयर डेटा into 100. So this is how we find out percentage change. So revenue from operation, add any other income if we have. So we'll get the total income. Then we have to write all the expenses like cost of material consumed and other expenses. So we'll get the total expenses figure. Total income minus total expenses will be profit before tax. Profit before tax. If we subtract tax from that, we'll get profit after tax. So this is the format of comparative profit and loss statement. So previous year, suppose our revenue from operation of the previous year was 100 and sales of this current year is 200. Let's suppose this. So what will be our absolute change? 200 minus 100. 100 positive. Percentage change, 100 divided by 100 into 100. So that is 100%. Okay, so this is how we have to calculate the figures for all the items. Now, if we are taking this comparative balance sheet, so how we have to write? We'll be writing equity and liabilities first and then assets. So format of balance sheet हम पूरा यहाँ पे लिखेंगे and this method of calculating the values are same. So in my next video, I'll be discussing about a numerical related to this comparative profit and loss account and comparative profit and loss statement and comparative balance sheet. I hope you have understood this. Thank you.